guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you guys are new here. My name is Rachel and I run Sticky Situations Co. So this week we have some new releases and we are also in the Ultimate Planner sale, which is really exciting. I'm going to be giving all that information at the end of the video, but right now I'm just going to dive into what is new in our shop this week. So let's get to it. We have 4 new collections and then we also have monthly kits, which I'll show you guys in a minute, but I wanted to go through the weekly collections first. Okay, so to start off we have, I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit, you guys are kind of far away. We have the graduation collection, and if you guys are new to my channel or to my shop, I'm gonna explain how everything is listed and such. So I actually am gonna have to update some of these listings because the deluxe kit is now gonna come with the washi sheets as well. It doesn't come with the deco, but it will come with the little thing labels, the headers, and the washi. So I'm gonna have to update that. The washi sheets are new for these collections. They aren't with any of the other collections. You might find that in my shop, you're gonna have some collections that don't have the little things or the headers or any of this stuff, and that's just because I have not made it back to those. And when I was releasing those, I wasn't doing these. Hopefully that makes sense. Anyway, let's just dive right in to see what we have with this. So we have the little graduation deco. Now I know with everything going on, a lot of graduations are getting canceled, but I asked my Facebook group if I should still come out with a graduation kit, and everyone said yes. So I was like, all right. Then you have this washi sheet, which just has, you know, your washi strips within here. And I just kind of did that because in case you like no white space at all, I figured that was perfect. Then you have your headers, which are just to do today, random stuff, and then just some random headers over here. Then you have your little thing labels, and then to the kit. Now everything in my shop comes a la carte, so you can pick and choose. So you could get this sheet, you could get these two if you wanted and not get the full kit, or you can get the full bundle. But this is the full box sheet. It just looks like that. It's hard to, I feel like I gotta zoom in there. That's what the full boxes look like. Then you have your functional sheet, which is one of my favorite sheets. I love the way this looks. Then you have this sheet, which has your half boxes, and then you do have some headers. The reason for this again is because you can pick and choose, so you may not want all the headers, but you may want a few. So these are kind of in the base kit, and then you can add on stuff if you want. Then you have half boxes, quarter boxes, some labels up here. This sheet is your date covers, your bill dues, currently reading, some half box checklists, some habit trackers, some scallop labels. Then you have your ombre heart checklists, and then you have 2 different strips of washi, bottom washi, and then glitter headers. So this is what's considered a full kit on my site. It's a 6-page kit, and like I said, the deluxe kit will be with the labels, headers, and then on some collections it will have the washi sheet. Like I said, not all collections have the washi sheet. I've got to go back and add them, but I just did not have time. And then of course the deco you can just purchase as a separate add-on. Actually, I was just thinking about it. I should probably include the deco simply because we are bringing premium matte to the shop, and you'll only be able to purchase premium matte in the bundle. So you'll only be able to purchase either the 6-page bundle or the deluxe kit, which would be all of these sheets. So I'm gonna start including the deco as part of the big bundle. Next up, we have the birthday kit, which I think out of all of them, this one is my favorite. So you have the deco. It's really hard to tell on camera because these are kind of pastel colors, but they're really pretty. You have the washi strips, the headers. I wish the lighting was better, but it's kind of getting late in the day. So you have little thing labels, and then you have the full boxes, which I love. I love them. So there's the full box page. Then you have your functional page. Again, it's really hard to get these colors because they are so light and because the lighting is super weird right now. But this is the half box page. You have your date covers, everything. I'm not gonna like go over every page. I mean, I'm gonna show you every page, but I'm not gonna tell you what's on every page because I don't know. I feel like you probably get sick of that. And then you have your washi, your washi and your glitter headers. And again, you can either get this 6-page bundle or you can add on all the little extras. Next up, we have our anniversary kit. The funny thing about this is I've had this artwork since the beginning of December because I was gonna do an anniversary kit for my anniversary and I just ended up not doing that. But I still wanted to bring this artwork and hopefully I can use it this year for my anniversary. So you have your deco, washi strips, some headers, some labels or little things, whatever you want to call them, your full boxes, functional. I said I wasn't gonna like tell you everything that's on each page, but then I'm still doing that. I love the colors in this one. I love that blue. It's really pretty. Also, I want to add, if you guys are new to my shop, you may not know this, or maybe you're not new to my shop but you just don't know this, we also offer all of our stickers in glossy. So now there'll be 3 different paper types you can choose from. You can choose from our regular matte, premium matte, or glossy. So in case you didn't already know that, there you go. All right, the last full collection that we have is this Mother's Day kit. And I might surprise you guys. I might have 2 more collections. I have the artwork. I just don't know if I'm gonna have time to get them designed and put up before the sale starts tomorrow, which actually, when you're watching this, the sale's already happening. But I'm really, really hoping that I can. That's my goal, but we'll see if that actually happens, okay? I think I like put more on my to-do list than I was actually capable of getting done. But that's okay. Don't mind this one. It just got a little messed up, but I'm not selling this sheet. It'll go in an oops. All right, so that is the Mother's Day collection. And if you guys have any questions about like my stickers or my shop, leave them in the comments below and I'll answer them, or you can always email me. I'll put my email down here, and this email is not for just YouTube questions or what. This is like my shop email. So this is only if you have a question about like stickers or orders or whatever. But I do have a separate email that you can email me if you have questions about YouTube. Just wanna make that clear. All right, so now we're moving on to our June monthly kits. And I didn't print the classic Happy Planner ones, but we do offer those as well, and they look pretty much the same, just the sizing is different. So for this, I decided to go with our Bloom artwork. Well, I say our Bloom, it's not my artwork, but I purchased it and used it in our Bloom kits. And I just really liked it. I really was having a hard time coming up with another June kit. So this is what I came up with. And I mean, I still like it. I could not find a summer theme that I was really liking for this. So that's why I went with this. Then we have the additional like checklist or decorative. And again, these actually come a la carte. So you can purchase everything separately. But the one thing I will mention is that if you purchase the full kit, it's just these 3 pages. These are extra add-ons. So I might be switching that up for premium matte, but as of right now, that's how they're listed in the shop. But I probably should do that for premium matte, or at least give you the option for premium matte in this, because I'm sure you guys probably want that. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I am gonna change it up to where you can get the bundle I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that so I don't have a lot of these extra sheets. But anyway, I'll figure it out. Next up is actually, so this was the first June kit that I designed, and it is our like beach ocean theme like photo that we came out with a photo kit that has all these, and so I had to do it for June. I really loved it. So yeah, that's what this looks like. And then again, you have the option to choose a checklist or decorative, and I'm gonna have to figure out how to do the listings to where you can get this for premium matte. Although maybe I should just do premium matte for the collections for right now and see how it goes. The reason I'm not offering premium matte for like a la carte stuff is I wanna see how this goes. So this is kind of a test run on how premium matte does in my shop. So yeah, so you might be able to get those in premium matte. You will. I'll figure out how to bundle it. It's gonna be a long night. All right, moving on, we have our July kits. So I pretty much do this same kind of like watermelon theme for July. I don't know why. July just reminds me of watermelons. So I love this kit. This is like always one of my favorites to bring back into the shop. And so you have your 3 pages here. And then you have the added checklist or decorative, which is not even in frame. So there you go. That's the Watermelon July kit. Like I said, all of these are offered in the classic Happy Planner size. I just didn't get them printed and cut. But they are available and they will be on the website. All right, then we have our 4th of July kit, and this again was really hard for me to find artwork that I liked for this, but I ended up settling with this, which I think I did this same artwork 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago, I don't remember. But I did really like it. I like the wood pattern, and the colors aren't my favorite, but I mean 4th of July colors aren't really my favorite. I'm not a huge red fan, so but yeah, that's the July kit. And then like I said, you have the decorative or the checklist option. Okay guys, so those are all of our new releases for this week, and like I said, there might be a couple more depending on how much I get done tonight. So a couple things about the sale. We're offering 30% off the entire shop. This is only on our website because if you guys didn't know, I closed our Etsy shop. So our Etsy shop is no longer available. It's in vacation mode right now, but you cannot purchase from it, and we will not be returning to Etsy at this time. I never want to say never, but for right now, it's just not, it's not where we're gonna be at. So everything is on our website. I'm really sorry if you used to purchase through our Etsy shop and that upsets you. Just changes and everything, and I have to do what's right for my business. So fully on the website now, and all of these a la carte options, we're going to have matte, glossy, and premium matte. The first 25 orders over $20 after the coupon code has been applied will get freebie packs that have freebies from I believe 13 other shops. So that's exciting. If you guys are interested in that, make sure you are one of the first people to go order and spend over $20. Also, there's going to be tiered freebies. So there's going to be a quarter-sized freebie, which a quarter-sized sheet looks like this. That's the size. There's quarter-sized freebies for orders $25 or more. Full-size freebie, which is like the sheet of, which is like this size. So it's going to be a full-size freebie, $50 or more after the coupon code. Hopefully that makes sense. I'm gonna have all this in the description box. I feel like I'm just kind of all over the place because I'm so scatterbrained tonight. I'm trying to get all my last minute things done. So yeah, I'm gonna put the code here, and the sale is live whenever this video goes live. So when you're watching this video, the sale is live and you can use that code on the website. Like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to email me or message me or comment in here. I'm gonna try like within the first couple hours of the sale to definitely be really like checking my phone, checking messages. Obviously I can't always be on my phone 100% of the time, but I'm definitely trying to be there like right from the get-go, and I will message you guys back as fast as I possibly can. So yeah, I think that that is everything. The sale is running from 9 a.m. Friday morning, so when you're watching this, to Sunday at 11:59 p.m. So you have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to get those orders in. Shipping times, I'm gonna set at 2 to 3 weeks. I don't anticipate it taking 2 to 3 weeks. I pretty much feel like I can get stuff out pretty fast, pretty quickly for you guys. But I am gonna set that just because I never know how many orders are gonna come in during a sale. So I don't wanna say, oh yeah, 3 to 5 business days, but then get 100 orders, and that's not real. That's not a realistic timeline. So I wanna make sure, I would rather tell you guys 3 weeks and surprise you with a couple of days versus saying a couple days and it being a couple weeks. I don't like doing that. So processing time will be extended 2 to 3 weeks. I think I've covered everything, honestly. I feel like I'm just getting rambly at this point. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for supporting my shop. I know that right now is a very trying time for people. I know that some people have lost their jobs, and I know that things are crazy. I completely understand that. Please know that I am praying for everyone. Like, this is definitely a difficult time, and I just want to say thank you so much if you are still able to support my shop. And even if you can't purchase from me, the fact that you guys are sharing, you're liking my stuff, you're commenting, that's still supporting me, and I'm just so appreciative and grateful for that. So yeah, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. If you guys didn't know, I'm doing a video every day in April, so thumbs up for that. It's exciting. So yes, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.